Alright, so we have the soffit right here. When you come up, this bulges out on the siding. You can lift up right here on the soffit, push it straight up. This is not secured in. And the reason why this is bulging in the back is there's no screws in the back of here holding this in. This whole thing can be pulled right out. And a good method too is to put some caulk up in here, because right now it appears like it's just stapled, and I can pull this whole top layer right off. But high winds, it's going to cause this whole thing, the whole soffit here, to vibrate. You can look all the way down and you can see here, here, and here that it's either screwed or nailed too tightly, where the expansion and compression is actually causing it to wobble a little bit, or it's not secured enough. Apparently this whole section right here isn't secured tightly to the wall. So